Hello everybody and welcome back to the Chateau. I have had, unfortunately, as it goes, a day full of paperwork. It is the time of year for the French to particularly love a bit of paperwork. So being bogged down with all the stuff for the businesses and everything else to make sure the end of the year comes about smoothly. And of course, as I'm trying to do everything at the moment, the new year starts in a cleared way, ready to really push forward. I've had an entire day full of nothing but administration work, which is a pain, but it's not a ruined day because I can get another thing off my list this evening if I go somewhere else to do it. So my mission for, well, the moment anyway, is to turn all of this into a nice kitchen island, because it's a project that is on my list and is outstanding, and that's part of what's going on. So let's get that done. I have come to my mostly newly cleared out workshop. This lot's all got to go to the déchetterie because I have loads of space and tools, and it's dry, and I can work into the evening with the lights. So time to set up saws and, you know, that sort of thing. Let's get this done. Right. Yes. Yes. This will all do it from there. Okay. Is the cross brace underneath. I'm just going to go from there across that way because there's going to be bar stools either side of this. So it'll be a footrest as well as structural, and opted for hidden pocket hole screws. So 2 to stop it twisting as well on each end, because that way it'll keep it symmetrical, because otherwise there would be so, there's just 2 bolts on each side, as opposed to there being a third one in the middle. Now I just need to find the right size screws though, and then I can get the top on. That is not looking too bad at all. I do not have the correct screws for the kick bar, which also obviously has stabilisation. I can get those. They might be at home, or they might be a collect from the shop. I don't have the primer for this is at home, if I've got any left. And same with the stain for the top. I'll deal with all that tomorrow, it appears. And I need the right bit to get the top on. We have literally ended the day. So what I'm going to do is the top is going to be held on with these going in, which will give just enough, because they're going to be countersunk into it. Which will be just enough. That'll also add more strength. Then it'll be nice and clean on the top. However, I don't have the right bit to be able to countersink that either. So, I have reached as far as I can get with this today. But I do think, apart from the last bits, structurally, sanding some edges and cleaning some bits and pieces up, and then painting it will be hopefully a reasonably quick job, so I can get onto other stuff at the chateau tomorrow. So, I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.